everyone. I have a very special guest today with us. Anu, do you mind going ahead and introducing
Yes,
yourself?
thank you for having me today, Aparna. I am Anusua Trivedi. I go by Anu, and I am the US Center Head for Flipkart. We cater to the volumetric population of India, the tier two, tier three cities mostly. And it has been a fabulous journey to embark upon with using generative AI for most of our use cases and paving the path for conversational commerce in our company.
I gotta ask because I feel like most people don't realize first of all, the scale, the complexity of what you do, but can you explain just what are your Gen AI use cases?
Yeah, I mean, first and foremost, like Flipkart is a huge platform. We have close to about 600 million users registered on the platform. Um, and as you can imagine, right, with catering customer support for such a big user scale is in itself a feat, right?
Yeah.
So unless we are investing in the right technologies to support to create opportunities for self-serve for customers, it's very hard for us to scale the business. And that is where generative AI is just not an experiment but a dire need for us to make the right necessary impacts in our business.
What could you share for folks who are on their journey of getting generative AI, and what's some things that have gone well? What do you guys think of as challenges? Any best practices?
Yes, of course. I mean, it has been really exciting to see how the hype from OpenAI to figuring out the actual use cases and failing in some cases. For example, we tried out customer support use case for highly anxious users. We saw, hey, that is not the place to basically invest in. These highly anxious users still wants that human component in their conversation. So we gave it a twist. We said, hey, if we cannot help our customers, can we help our agents? So we take the same solution, we created Agent Serve. And we started empowering our agents so that instead of searching for all the SOPs, they can just get an assistance for the generative AI agents to help them answer the question more effectively to our volumetric anxious consumers, right? And in that way, by reducing some of the call timing, we are making a huge ROI impact in our incremental GMV. So we're still making an impact, but just a little bit of twist in the product solutioning. So it's all about understanding a customer base
Yeah.
and finding the right route to help ease their pain.
External versus bringing that solution internal.
Right, right.
Got it. Got it. What's something you guys do to? I know we talk a lot about evaluations and observability, but what's some things you guys have learned on that journey?
So it has been a learning process. I think metrics is very tricky, right? You have to define it not only for your models but also for your products. So if I am to break it up into two parts, there's of course a LLM metrics or a DS metrics side of it, data science metrics side of it, and there's a product metrics side of it. How do you connect the two to find where things are failing? And that is where I think Arize has been a fabulous partner for us to figure out and create that traceability. We had some offline metrics to connect the data science metrics and the product metrics, but Arize gave us the capability to stitch it together and create the right storyline to basically bring the right knobs to twist on the modeling side or on the policy side to improve the product.